to Bonehead Guitars. Let's go build some junk. Okay, you missed a couple things. This time, should have done it every time before with Wingate, but especially this time because this piece of Wingate had a lot of little cracks and stuff. So I did a really thin layer of epoxy over it. Tried working with my card scrapers a little bit, which was not gonna. Maybe it would have worked after 100 years of working with it. And my gooseneck is not sharpened, and I don't have a real good way to do it at the moment. So basically used the orbital with I think 80 grit on it, and knocked everything back. And I think I'm happy with the results. But anyway, that's all the stuff you missed. Because I'm an idiot and I didn't learn the first time, never, ever, ever, ever buy hardware on sale, and especially not on clearance. We should have learned our lesson with the truss rod from the Halloween build, but the money's a little tight right now, so I happen to notice some really cheap, a real cheap set of humbuckers on Guitar Fetish. I don't feel too bad about that because it's a standard size and you can swap the pickups out whenever the hell you want. But they happen to have a bridge and stop tail on sale, super on sale, so I got them, and they're trash. I had started to look at placing the stop tail, and one of the posts just will not fit in the stop tail. And I look at them and they're the exact same size, and it won't work. And I happen to have, as luck would have it, a black set laying around that I marked the centers for the posts, and I think they are ever so slightly close together compared to this one, so we need to reevaluate that. But as is, we have a black. I hadn't planned on black, but I think black hardware is going to look pretty nice with the Tune-o-matic, even with chrome covers on the pickups. So I do happen to have two black tuners, but we kind of need 4 more. So I need to order tuners because we can't get too crazy here. I mean, we can place the stop tail, but after that, we really need to drill tuners and get them placed and fitted so we can actually string this puppy up and place the bridge and then the bridge pickup. So there ain't a whole lot we can do at the moment. Other than do the plate recess for the control cavity, and I don't want to do that until we have fitted controls, and that's another thing I need to order. We're going to need a couple pots and a 3-way, and none of those are extremely cheap, so. And none of those are anything you want to skimp on, for sure. Now, when it comes to placing the stop tail, this is a square line at 24 3/4, which of course is our theoretical spot, and it's going to be close to that. It's also going to be angled back slightly, so we don't know exactly where the bridge is going just yet, but from the theoretical line, I put the stop tail about 1 3/4 inches behind, and when we do that, incidentally, I put a straight edge up against their neck so we can extend where the neck blank actually is. Which, I mean, that tells us the center of that is the center line for the neck itself. Now, ultimately, if your stop tail is not perfectly centered, it's not the end of the world, but who the hell wants one that's off center? I honestly don't think it would cause that much of a problem, but it's less than perfect, and it bothers me when I have a lack of precision. Okay, now, I fully believe the thing to do is to poke one of these, actually plant it, swing this into place, and see if the other one looks exactly centered, and then drill the second one. First, we need to figure out just exactly how friggin' huge that bushing is. This looks like a job for calipers. Well, this is a shitty pair of calipers too, but I don't know, 5/32 looks like it'd do. Time to poke a test piece. Okay, I have triple checked placement and triple checked bit size and straightness, and I got a body clamped in place, so we should be ready to roll. So, fingers crossed. That should be deep enough. And that is going to be pretty damn snug. Problem is, I kind of need it in there to find out if it's, make sure that it's deep enough, but if you do that, I need to make sure we got something to fight it back out with. The point of that, if you didn't know, I'll see you in a minute. Give me a way to drive that back out. Really need it to sink all the way and make sure that it will go all the way. I just don't really want to hammer it. I guess we're going to have to. I need to verify that that is deep enough, and the closer I have it to flush, the better. Yeah, it will go all the way. And our other post appears to be centered, best I can tell. Best I can tell, looks good. luckily, with this set, both ferrules appear to be the same size for the stop tail and the bridge. Just makes things a little simpler. Again, clamped in place. And from both axes, it looks to be centered. So away we go. Moment of truth. Bitch better work too. Nah. Nice. It's a little snug. We weren't exactly, absolutely, perfectly right. But it fits, so good enough. Okay. Now, since we get tuners, we got what we need where we can place the bridge, plant the bridge, and route the bridge pickup. But not much else we can do right now, except get online and order some parts. Thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed it. Like this video, go subscribe. Meet me back here next time. We got more stuff to do.